Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Wednesday video. So today we are going to be setting up my planner because for me school starts in like a week and I'm super nervous. But in order to be less stressed out, I'm going to set up my planner. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give it a like. I mean, you don't have to, but it would make me super happy. And we got cool things on this channel, so you wouldn't want to miss out, so turn on that notification bell too. Yesterday, I just got my schedule, so I know all of my classes. It was really fun. We had to like tour the school and learn about different stuff. Really cute, really cool. But I got my schedule, so now I know my classes, and now I can finally set in my planner to be organized. All of the teachers said that in order to get good grades, you have to be organized. So I'm gonna try being super neat this year. So the planner I have is the Happy Planner, and I love this planner a lot. It says, "Don't quit your daydream," super cute, super my aesthetic, and the inside is really cute. And I just really like this planner. It definitely goes with my whole scheme this year. Adorable. I also got a bunch of cute accessories, and I think that when you have a bunch of cute things, it makes you happier and want to work more. So the first thing I got is these little like dividers. This one is so you know your place in the planner. Really cute, rainbow, polka dots, adorable. And then we have these little note cards that you can put in your planner. I like these because then you don't have to write on like the planner page. You can just write on these, and I like that it says blah 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 on the bottom. Then something almost dropped, but I caught it. We love a catch and cream. So I got these super cute stickers. I love these stickers a lot. And my mom uses a planner and they come with so many cute stickers, and I just want to steal them for myself. But I can't wait to decorate my planner. Like, look at these. They are perfect for the planner. It says quiz, test, fall break, summer break. Perfect. Then I got this sticker pack. I really like this sticker pack because it has cute stickers and a lot of stickers to help me keep organized. Then the last things I got are just these two accessory packs. Really cute things in them. Hey everybody! So here is my planner. Well, you already know that. So this is the first page, and I need to write my name over there. Boom, we're done with the first page. Super cute. So here is the class schedule page, but I'm not gonna write in it just yet because they said that our schedule could change on Monday, so I don't want to screw anything up if I write all of it, because then I can't erase it. Here is just all of the months it looks like, and I think it's just so you can write important dates on it. Also, over here it's the same. Over here is just the starting of August. I really like this page because it tells you like any birthdays, celebrations, important dates, big events this month, all the things you're feeling and what you're gonna do this month, and just all the things. So I'm just gonna show you guys all the tabs. Start on August. Since I'm not gonna put anything, I'm just going to decorate the page because I love decorating. Ooh, this is cute. Fun, fun, fun. Where should I put this? Fun, fun, fun. This cute little card. Down here looks good. Here is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna add this cute little weekend plan sticker right here. That's super cute. I love decorating this planner right now. It's so adorable. Ooh, I'm gonna add a shoe. Where should I add the shoe? On this page? Yeah, it's a Kickstarter. I don't want to fill this up too much because I don't know my plans yet and my schedule yet. So I'm just gonna add this in here because I don't want to fill it up too much and then not have any room for anything else. You feel me? That was satisfying. That's so cute. This is just used to mark my place so I know where I'm at when I close the book and open it back up. Now we're just gonna move on to the week. This is the first day of school. Eek, eek, eek. And this is what the typical week looks like. Has the whole month, and then don't forget upcoming tests and what I'm thankful for. I really like how this colorful planner just gives you bright and inspirational quotes and just helps you stay positive. I'm just gonna do the first day instead of the whole week because I know what classes I'm going to the first day, but they said our schedule could change, so I don't want to risk having the wrong schedule. I'm going to use this sticker book because I saw that they had like science, math, oh, right here. Bada bing, bada boom. So they don't have a PE one, so I'm just gonna do cute little shoe. So now that I have all of my stickers and things in, I can decorate it. This is my favorite part. So I'm gonna add one of these cute pencils because pencils remind me of school. Wow. Start today, and I thought it was pretty smart if I put it on the first day because we're starting school today. I'm going to add this just chill little sticker because I could take this advice on the first day because I might be super nervous. Just chill. I'm going to add this cute little notes right here. It being kind is cool. So if you want to be cool, be kind. So I want to put a weekend one right here, but I don't know. This one is funny. Inhale tacos, exhale negativity. Mwah, perfect. So now I'm going to add this pocket folder. It's super cute, shine bright stars. This is really cute, so I'm gonna add this on this page. And it's just gonna help me be even more organized to keep very important papers right in there so they don't get lost. Then I am going to add "You got this, babe," so I know where I'm at for the first week of school. This part is always so satisfying. So I don't want to add any more stickers until like after Monday because I want to wait until I have my final schedule. I'm going to add these super cute sticky notes. So these you can just clip in so you can have them anytime right there. So super cute, super functional. Then behind this, I'm going to add our blah 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 page in. So if I have to take any notes, it would be right here. This is what I have so far. Again, I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm definitely gonna decorate more when I get my final set in stone schedule. Because, I don't know, I just get nervous. I don't want to mess anything up. But I'm so proud of it. I think it looks super cute, super adorable.
really like having this planner. This looks so cute. Like, I love this page. So you can see that the two dividers are coming out at the top, so I can flip to the exact page that I need to flip to.
Okay guys, so that was my planner setup for like a little bit and my first day, because again, I want my schedule to be set in stone because I don't want to mess it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this planner setup. Definitely give this video a big thumbs up and let me know if you guys like these planner setups, and we can definitely do more in the future. Maybe I'll do the whole week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.